I'm Matt with HFP, and today I'm going to show you how I restore my trailer decks. Okay, here's a trailer that I bought, and as you can see, if you were to just look at this side, the decks look like they are shot. And when they sold me this trailer, they even advertised it as deck needs replaced. Well, they had less than like 1,000 miles on this trailer. They used it to move, and then they literally parked it in the trees for about 7 years. Well, I've bought a lot of these trailers that look like complete crud, and they turn out to be great trailers. And the wood, the secret to the wood, when it looks like this, as long as it isn't soft and rotted through, you can fix it. I've got 2 rotted boards there, and I've got 1 rotted board right here. So I will be able to replace those boards for, oh, I don't know, probably 35 bucks. And the rest of this trailer, like you can see here, I've power washed half of it. I just have to power wash the rest. I'll replace those boards, and I will seal it with used motor oil. Yeah, used motor oil. If you want this like nice tan gold look, you can go buy fresh motor oil and it'll stay that nice golden look. You know, used motor oil is gonna kind of make it a dirtier, older looking color. But man, this is the 4th or 5th trailer I've done like this where the boards look rotten. I'll wash them off, I'll put motor oil on them, and I'll get about 7 to 10 more years out of it. And then I will just wash it and reapply the motor oil about once every 2 or 3 years. So let's get to it. All right, there's what she looks like all washed up. So we'll replace that board, those 2 little boards over there, and then we'll let this thing dry for about 2 or 3 days, and I'll see you back with some oil. Here's what the deck looks like after it's dried for a couple of days. We got our 1 board on the side repaired and our 2 small pieces on the back. And we got 5 gallons of used motor oil. This deck here is probably going to take every bit of 3 gallons. Yes, 3 gallons. A lot of people get spray bottles and they're spraying the oil on, or they're lightly brushing it on. Dude, you need to put the oil on. Like, put it on, put it on. Especially this wood, you know, it's whatever, about 6-7 years old, and I washed it and it's dried. This wood is a sponge. It is gonna suck up that oil. So let's get to this. Okay, so there's 1 coat, and as you could see, I put it on pretty thick. Had to go get another thing of oil because we already went through 3 gallons. So that was 3 gallons right there. We're gonna put another coat on and hit our sides, and that should be about good. So probably another 3 gallons of oil. Okay, we got 2 coats on there. That's what 6 gallons of oil looks like on this 20-foot deck. This bad boy was extremely dry. But by doing this, I'm gonna get another probably 7 to 10 years out of this deck. Now we're gonna come back in about 45 minutes and I'm gonna show you this. All this oil will be soaked up. It's crazy. Okay, she's all done. That's what it's gonna look like. It'll soak in a little bit more here in the next couple of days. And you know, you don't have to go as heavy as I went. I just don't want to have to do this again for a couple of years, so I went extremely heavy on my oil. She's done. I should get about another 7 years out of this deck.